This is Venice at RockHop, and in this video, we're talking about how Power BI integrates with the rest of the Power Platform. We've been talking to a lot of our customers that are looking at an analytics tool, either enhancing their approach to Power BI or choosing an initial tool for their business. And a huge differentiator that not enough people are talking about is how Power BI has built-in integrations with Power Automate and Power Apps. I'm going to show you an example of this, but why this is important is because most analytics tools are a way to visualize your data and find insights about that data. This takes it a step further where you can do that. You can create beautiful, intelligent insights about your data, create a self-service model for your business, empower those users in your business to make data-driven decisions, and then take action upon those decisions within the Power BI report itself. Let's look at it. For this demo, we're going to be utilizing and building upon Scott School's report that he shares out on GitHub here, and we'll share the link to this as well. I love this report because I think it is beautiful and it is a great place to start demoing the functionality of the Power Automate button here. So we're starting from the win-loss ratio page where, as a sales manager, I'm looking at this and I see the sales results for all of the folks within my sales department. And I have some really nice visuals, right, of roll-up numbers, and I can start to drill in and select what the top performers' numbers look like, what the bottom performers' numbers look like, and really understand what our sales metrics are looking like this quarter. But where Power Platform brings that even further is not just can I look and understand what our data looks like in Power BI, but I can start to take action upon that. And for this demo, what I'm going to do is I'm going to enroll the bottom sales performers here in sales training. I'm going to select the Power Automate button, and from there, I'm alerting my sales training manager to sign up these 3 folks in our sales training program. And I get that email for the 3 people that I selected to enroll in sales training. This is just a demonstration of how the data can get passed from a Power BI report and taken action upon it. Really, the potential here is all of Power Automate and the power that comes with that, right? So because we're able to pass in context what is selected in Power BI to Power Automate, we can then use all of the Power Automate connectors or any third-party tools that have an API to start to take action upon that and really drive our users that are looking at the Power BI report to take the actions on the data that we want to take. We can really start to guide them. Wow, this is really powerful. We can take this a step further by drilling in and looking at specifically Mia's data here. And as Mia, I can see of what my numbers look like and what I'm forecasting for the coming quarter. That being said, as Mia, I see that some of my opportunity data is not being reflected correctly. Really, I want to update what is on the back end of this data report so that the opportunity value is reflected and my sales department is aware of those opportunity numbers. So instead of 100,000, it's actually 150,000. And I'm able to update that just by looking at it in my report. And that data is automatically reflected within the Power BI report itself because I'm using the Dataverse Live connection. So I can now see 150 is right there on that same opportunity that I just updated. This prevents me from having to go out and uh, update the data source if it's accessible to me at all, and then refresh the data and communicate around, oh, that's not right, blah, 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 right? I'm empowered to update that and immediately see the results for that opportunity. Both of these things together empower the user to be able to edit the data instead of just read the data if necessary, and then take action upon that, whether that be communication, integrations with other third-party activities that we want to send the data to, etc. So this is really powerful. Being able to bring the apps and automate into Power BI really empowers us to take have a lot more impact with our Power BI reports. We hope this sparks some ideas for you, and we'd love to discuss how this can be used in your business. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.